Hey everyone, welcome to Lesson 11. Lesson 11 is going to be on 9/11 and the War on Terror. So I know that you guys weren't born yet whenever 9/11 happened, but I do know that you guys are used to hearing about it, so it's not really anything new, but maybe just an opportunity for you guys to dive deeper into what you know about it. I know for me, 9/11 was something that happened whenever I was very, very young. But even still, I remember exactly where I was when it happened. I remember exactly what we did after we found out, how we had to go and pick up our older siblings from school, and it was just definitely a really crazy day that impacted so many lives. Okay, so for our opening, we're gonna watch a nice little video and look at a little bit of information. And then we're for our work time, it's gonna be for you guys to complete those columns of notes again. So we'll get into that a little bit later. Um, so let's see. Our essential question is going to be the one that's in yellow, and then the discussion questions are the white ones after. So what I want you guys to do is kind of read them now, and then as you move through the rest of the lesson, I want you to think about them, kind of look more into them. You might have answers for them already, but after going through this lesson and the slides and the notes, kind of think about how you can make that answer to that question a little bit more elaborate. Okay. So here we have September 11, attacks in the aftermath. This is the video that I was talking about. So you're going to click into that, click into the YouTube video, watch a little bit about that. We have some questions here for you to think about. And then we have shortly after 9/11, the US launched the War on Terror. So you should be able to click into this and go to the Discovery Ed page. There should be some good information on there. If you have trouble logging in, you should be able to log in with your Wake ID. And if that gives you any other trouble, then just shoot me an email or post a private comment will work too. Okay. You'll see after reading, place bullet points on the chart on slide 5, detailing what you think are the most important impacts. So like we said, it's kind of hard there was just so much information, and there still is so much information on 9/11 that we want you guys to put the most important or the biggest facts that you know in these three columns. So it's kind of hard to see, but after military and political, the sources, the numbers 1 and the numbers 2 are linked. So if you can click there, this is the one for 1 and that's the one for 2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sources for you guys to click on and to fill in the notes. So obviously source 1 and 2 go with this one. Source 1, political and social. Sources 1 and 2 for economic. Okay, so use the proper source and fill in your notes. Once this chart is done and you've put some thought into these questions from slide 3, you are done with lesson 11. Have a great day, everyone.